Alright, good morning, good morning. Today's Friday, October 6, 2017, and we're doing the morning headline commentary. Um, as you know, I mentioned before, the past couple of days, I've been dedicating some time resources on a private email group where I go more in depth about informations that I commented on, more actionable comments and stuff like that. If you're interested in joining, you can email my email and I'll get you in. It's ourcooldude at gmail.com. Alright, going to the Wall Street Journal. You see, as I mentioned before, crude oil is meant to go down. And the catalyst today is the NFP. Right now, crude oil is at 49.42, down from the 51 area. Alright, gold is 12.76. Alright, euro is 1.1726. Yen's 112. Pounds 1.30. Yes, as I mentioned before, heng seng is approaching 30,000, but not quite reach it. Yeah, but even though I mentioned it, it may change a little bit because I mentioned it. Alright, Dow Jones 22,700, down 31 points due to the NFP data. Alright, here's the NFP data. They were expecting a gain of 80,000 jobs, but lost 33,000 instead due to the hurricane affecting the states and the cities. One thing of note is that hurricanes do have a lasting positive effect on the economy, which you need to mobilize the industries to rebuild the cities. Like things like Home Depot, contractors, and so forth like that have to implement their skills to make the cities come back alive and workable. Alright, the executive of the government decided to roll back a mandate that birth control must be provided. Alright. So Japan's offering luxury trains. Interesting. They would target the luxury market and have a scenic route on the train. AOL Instant Messenger has been killed off. I told like an AOL employee before that all they have to do is just copy the features on Snapchat and they'll be fine. But they failed to do that. So not all companies are that nimble and recognize actionable commentaries. That's that. That's why they're suffering the killing off of the Instant Messenger. Alright. Okay, look at the headlines on Google. So another commentary on the Hurricane Harvey and Irma affecting Texas and Florida and that area. Elon Musk wants to help Puerto Rico ruin the electric grid. That's a loss proposition because Elon Musk will not get paid for his job in restoring the electric grid. That's very interesting because like where did all that money go? They raised debt into the 15-20 billions and there's a large amount of money and nobody's ready to go. You look at the Puerto Rico, all the infrastructure, nothing's improving. So once you understand that, I think you should stand down a little bit. Costco's. I don't know why Costco's news moved to beat Amazon and Whole Foods. delivery. But it's, Costco is part of Amazon right now. Fidelity's mining Bitcoin and Ethereum. I mean, they have small operations. That's nice. We'll see in the future how it turns out. All right, everybody. Today's Friday, October 6, 2017. One recent note on my recent commentary. Ford Motor Companies, after my commentary on electric vehicle on Monday and Wednesday, decide to make a move in their future developments, where Ford decides to move their resources, future resources, into heavier trucks, bigger cars, and also into electric vehicle. So that's a nice move for Ford. Other things of note, India's Modi of India decided to give a big hug on Amazon after I featured Amazon in one of my videos listed below. That was last year. Also, I have Indian followers and Chinese business followers, and some Chinese savvy business guys decided to buy out the Germany's robotics firm. I feature these robotic arms in my supercar videos. That's that. Supercar videos are really good and showing the robotics building some of these cars. And something to note, the company called Funimation that owns Dragon Ball became a takeover target. After I featured Goku and Gohan in my eating videos, cooking demo videos, which is also listed below. That's that, and I have very good followers that understand my actionable commentaries, and they did suggest that I create a private email group so to provide more in detail and supportive commentary that's actionable. Or if you're interested in that, you can email me at ourcooldude@gmail.com, and I'll get you into that private email group. Alright, that's that. And today's Friday, October 6, 2017, and happy trading.